Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to bypass PrizePicks verification. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to know is there is no available option to bypass the PrizePicks verification, as the verification process is essential in order to keep your data secure and your account secure. So what you need to know is to complete this process, you will need your smartphone and a government issued ID such as driver license or a password. And then what happens after you submit the ID, you will be verified. You will receive a notification that says verification successful. You'll also be provided a link to deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing PrizePicks. So it is very essential to verify at PrizePicks in order to play it. You can also get resubmit ID. The most common reason for this are blurry picture, improper lighting, or an invalid ID like a library card or debit card. Or you can also get placed in a review. A verification specialist will review your account information further, or denied. If you are denied, you will unfortunately not be able to play on PrizePicks. PrizePicks reserves the right to deny verification to anyone at its sole discretion. For security reasons, we will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they are denied. So basically, without verification, you won't be able to play on PrizePicks. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.